Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add text on Filmora. The first thing you want to do once you have selected the video or the picture that you would like to add on your timeline, all you'll need to do is pull along the slider and you're going to select the section that you would like to add the text. So let's say for example, I would like to add the text to this section. Let me do that real quick. So I'm going to pull along the slider to this section. Then you are going to go to the top left hand menu option, and right where you see titles, you'll simply tap right there. After you have done that, you will see the recommended, and you can see the different trending texts or titles that you can use, as you can see here, and you could simply scroll down until you see one of your liking, or you could tap on titles. After tapping on titles, you can select whether you'd like to use a 3D title, lower thirds, word art, or subtitles, or so on. You can see the different options. So let's say for example's sake, let me choose one real quick. Let's say I would like to use this one. All you'll have to do is simply drag and place it on the timeline. Once you have done that, you can tap on the text box, or you could go over to the right hand menu option, and you're going to see the text right here. You could type in the text that you would like to add. After you have typed in the text, you could change the color by tapping on the color box. You could choose the color that you would like the text to be. So let's say I would like it to be blue. Also change the font style by tapping right where you see monster at. You could choose a different font style if you want, as you can see right there. You can also change the size of the font by tapping right where you see 100. You can choose to either increase or decrease the font size. And you can also scroll down, and if you would like even more text options, you can do that. So let's say you don't like the current style, you can change the style up, as you can see right here. Then by scrolling down, you'll see even more text options. So for example, let's say you would like to add some background color. You could simply toggle on background. Then you're going to tap on the color box, and you could change the color of the background. Let's say I would like it to be yellow. I could tap on yellow, and you can see right there. Another thing that you could also do, you could increase or decrease the opacity if you want by simply pulling along the slider. And if you would like the text to be animated, you could tap on animation at the top right here. After tapping on animation, you can see the different options. So you can tap on the animation that you would like to use, as you can see right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.